When we think about gathering rainfall data, we often associate it with manual readings from a small measuring cup. This method is highly inefficient. The Cloudtracker is about to change the way that you see weather data collection within remote regions. The Cloudtracker is a rainfall measurement and collation system that allows the user to track rainfall in areas without mains power or telemetry communication. This system can be set up as a network of devices, all communicating through the Things network remotely. The data can then be viewed and interacted with through the Cloudtracker dashboard. This device is completely self-sufficient, utilizing the power of the sun through its inbuilt solar panels which wrap around the whole gauge, making for a seamless design. These solar panels will charge the 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery which powers the whole device. The gauge itself employs a tipping bucket mechanism to measure rainfall. Each tip of the gold-plated bucket indicates 0.2 millimeters of rain. The gauge also includes a tamper switch for security. The microcontroller used for the Cloudtracker is the Multitech M.Dot. This device can collect sensor data, process information and send it to the Things network using its inbuilt LoRaWAN transceiver. Every 15 minutes, the device will wake from sleep, read all of the data, encode it and send it to the network. After this, it will fall back to sleep where it will consume next to no power. AtSelf has taken advantage of 3D printing technologies in order to create a distributor module to house all of the electronics. This was created to allow the user to quickly and easily replace components as needed, while also allowing the device to fit neatly within the gauge itself. The data that is transmitted is decoded within the Things network console, where the payload is then read in to a Node-RED server. From Node-RED, we convert the JSON payload into an insert statement for storage within a MySQL database. This database stores all of the data produced by the Cloudtracker. This data is then viewable through AtSelf's Cloudtracker dashboard. This dashboard automatically updates the data every time a new entry is added to the database. It's here that the user can see different data visualizations sent from the Cloudtracker. As you can see, we have the rainfall measurements, temperature and humidity, along with other stats such as battery percentage, accompanied by a graph of the battery over time, as well as the Cloudtracker's tamper state. Each of these stats can be individually interacted with, giving the user freedom to view the data as they please. I hope that the Cloudtracker has changed the way that you see weather data collection within remote regions. I hope it has also opened your eyes to the enormous potential that there is for the Internet of Things to completely change the way that we see the world.